Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I do with my little girl's hair. She is 2 years old and she has the curliest hair. She can get really frizzy hair, so I have to be really careful how I wash it, what products I use, and then also how I style it as well. If your daughter has similar hair to McKenna's hair, this could really help. Don't forget, you guys, to subscribe down below if you're not already. So let's just jump right in. Alright, you guys, so it's so much easier for me to wash my daughter's hair at the sink just because reaching over the tub is just, it hurts my back so much. So anyway, I'll just wet her hair. Make sure to get her hair nice and wet using the faucet. And I'm going to be using a shampoo with no sulfates, and it's specifically made for curly hair. And this has really made a difference in how her hair looks. I'll really just get in there and massage her scalp. This is also really good for growing hair long, to massage the scalp and get the blood flowing. I wash her hair about 1 to 2 times a week depending on the week. And I'll try not to take too much to the ends, but it will just kind of rinse into the ends. So I really try to focus it on the top. And then I'll go ahead and make sure I rinse all of the soap out and make sure the water is not burning hot. More towards the cooler side is better for the hair anyways. And then I also, for her neck, I just patted the towel down a little bit so that she has like a little neck pillow, so it's more comfortable. I'm going to use the same brand for her conditioner, and I'm going to focus that on the ends of the hair. I'm really not going to try to get the conditioner to go near her scalp. That can really clog the hair follicles and actually be worse for her hair. So I'm just going to focus on the ends, and then after that I'm going to rinse all of the product out. And you don't want to leave any product in the hair at all. And then for this part, I'm making sure the water is nice and cold. I'm just going to use my fingers to slightly detangle the hair, and then I'm going to use a towel to pat dry the hair so that it's not soaking wet. I also like to use a boar's hair bristle brush. This brush specifically helps not make the hair frizzy. It just kind of smooths the hair and distributes oil from the scalp down to the ends. Leave-in conditioner that I put in her hair after the shower, but I also put it in now, and it has vitamin B5, repairs and hydrates. It has some oils in it, olive oil, softens and detangles, no parabens or sulfates, so it's pretty good. I'm going to spray that on her hair. Sulfates really dry out hair, especially curly hair that's prone to being dry out. I also use some just a spray bottle with water in it, and I just spray that on her hair. What is it, Loki? Liam, did you hit him in the head? And then I'm going to use a comb, and I'm going to use like the pick side, and I'm going to just comb through her hair really gently from the bottoms. So I'm just going to continue to detangle her hair. Today I'm going to do a really simple thing with her hair. I'm just going to put her hair in a side ponytail, and then half up, half down. So I'm just going to take, because she has like a little mullet going on because the back of they're smooth, and then it helps get the oils distributed around the hair. I'm watching. Okay, come on again. Don't touch it. Clips. going to take a little bow and I'm going to stick it through the hair tie. I'm just going to twist her pony in separate little strands because I think it just looks really cute that way. And then for the rest of her hair, I'm just going to take a piece and I'm going to twirl it around and leave it. When I was younger, like McKenna's age and a little older, I had very curly hair like this too. Okay. Just take some more oil. And I'm just going to brush her baby hairs. There you go. And that is it for today. Owlette. She really likes the PJ Masks.